Hey guys, let's go over the trades for this week. You can see this on the 27th. You can see the trade that we had a win right there. And then we had a loss right here. You can see all this in my Telegram group. But let me zoom in on this one because this one is, I learned a lot from that one. I'll show you. Okay, so right here, I got in, got the breakout, retest, and then went up. But look how it wicked down all the way down here. And I actually exited here because I saw it dropping. And I was like, I'm going to get knocked out. And I got it right before. But if you look right here, this is where it wicked down. I could have, with the spread and everything, you don't really know what's going to happen. And I could have stayed in it. But anyways, it's just one of those things like, oh man, next time, just let it happen. If you get knocked out, fine. But don't like manage it when you think, just because you think it's going to drop. Because you got to trust your system and go with it, right? So anyways, and then we have the second drop here with this massive sell-off when Trump announced his new nominee for Fed chair. Massive sell-off. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to stay out for a few days now because it is, wait for things to recover. So the next trade that I had was actually yesterday. This one I did not post in the Telegram group. It's a different system. It's not the breakout. Trend line breakout, which you see right here. You see the trend is breaking out right here. Retest, could have made money there. Then it comes down here. You could have made money up there. But it's a different system my friend trades. If you're interested in that, he also does the bot trading. They got a whole strategy on it, which is amazing. And I encourage people to take that because it's a really good system. And anyway, so we made money there. Now our small account challenge is $361. So we're up $61. But I'm trying to figure out what to do because the one loss I had, that was like 20% of the account because I had to have the stop loss lower than the previous low. And so if I have that happens more, but I can't buy smaller amounts on this exchange. 0.01 is the lowest. So I'm like, oh man. So I might just start trading this different system. Anyways, not sure what I'm going to do, but we'll figure something out. And but mainly the trend line strategy, but it's so basic. I've shown it, so many. I have the course, and it's like it's fairly easy. But if you guys are following along and that's what you're expecting, it's just confusing if I start doing other stuff. So anyway, still not sure what I'm gonna do about that. All right, so let's look at the bot trading. You can see today this week we made $153. Today's Wednesday. There's a massive drop that happened, and because of that, we haven't been doing so well. But Nasdaq has been doing well. We made a little bit of money there. On these, like sometimes you make $1,000 a day, sometimes you make $150. It just depends, right? But anyways, doing very well here, and I will show you that we've added some money because we want to increase the position size now. So if I go to custom and I click on all the way back till October 2025, we'll start there till now. We have now made $22,657, but deposit $25,000. We started with $10,000, and part of that is a bonus as well. But we've added an additional $8,500, so it's not completely accurate because we've added more because we want to increase the position size. Now that the account's got more in it, we can increase the position size. So anyways, that's what we're doing. Nasdaq and gold. It's very exciting. And if you got questions about it, send me a message. My friend has this bot that he's been using for years. Really amazing system. And that's why one of the trading systems he also has taught me. And if you're interested in that, let me know. Send me a message. You can get on board. But they have a whole course, whole strategy. Like it's really amazing the way they've set it up. So anyways, that's that. The bot's doing well. The goal is not yet liquidated. Double your money, take it out, take the principal out, let it run, and see how much you can make. So anyways, cool. If you got any questions, let me know. All right, talk to you later. Bye.